Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my Choco banana bars. For the ingredients, we need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 3 pieces whole eggs, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, 2 pieces ripe bananas, and then you mash it, 1 cup brown sugar, and lastly, our chocolate chips from Berrios. In your bowl, just mix all dry ingredients, your flour, baking powder, salt, cocoa powder, and brown sugar. Mix this one first. Then, make a well at the center. Mix in your liquid ingredients. Your vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and 3 pieces eggs. Once the ingredients are all combined, change to rubber scraper and then fold in your mashed bananas and your chocolate chips. Add the choco chips and then leave some para lagay natin later sa top. Once it's done, get your 9-inch baking pan lined with aluminum foil. Pour the mixture, and then yung sobrang chocolate chips, lagay natin on top. Then, let's bake this one at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 20 to 30 minutes. For 30 minutes, it's done already. So, pa-cool down muna natin bago natin slice. There you go! Our Choco banana bars.